There is a tiny German word that changes everything. Without it, you sound like a textbook. With it, you sound German.
Komm her.
That sounds cold, like an order. Now add one tiny word.
Komm mal her.
Suddenly friendly, casual, natural. That word changes the entire feeling. Use one, the softener. German commands sound harsh. Come here, look, listen, very direct. This little word fixes that.
Schau mal. Da drüben ist ein Regenbogen.
Look, a rainbow. Without the word, it is a military order. With it, it is excitement.
Hör mal. Ich muss dir was sagen.
Listen, I need to tell you something. A demand becomes a gentle request. Use two, once upon a time. You are at a dinner party. Someone asks if you have been to Berlin. You say,
Ja, ich war mal in Berlin. Tolle Stadt.
yes, I was in Berlin once. Great city, here it simply means once, one time, at some point in the past.
Ich hatte mal einen Hund. Hieß Max.
I once had a dog. His name was Max, a story from the past, simple, nostalgic. Use three, the dream. You are scrolling through travel photos. Japan, you have always wanted to go, you say.
Ich muss mal nach Japan reisen.
I should go to Japan someday. Not now, not tomorrow, but someday. A dream, a wish.
Wir sollten mal zusammen essen gehen.
We should go out to eat together sometime. Not a plan, not a date, just a nice idea floating in the air. Use four, the math. You are helping a child with homework. They ask what is 3 times 4.
3 mal 4 ist 12.
3 times 4 is 12. Softener once, someday, and multiplication. 4 meanings, 3 letters.
Wie viel ist 5 mal 5?
What is 5 times 5? Every German schoolchild says this every day. 3 letters, 4 uses. The word that makes you sound German.
Schau mal.
The softener turns orders into friendly requests.
Ich war mal in Berlin.
Once, a story from the past.
Wir sollten mal essen gehen.
Someday, a dream floating in the air.
3 mal 4.
Times, the math one. Add
Mau.
to your next sentence. You will instantly sound more natural. Follow for one German word every day.